Over the past several months, YVR's engineers and construction contractors have spent hundreds of hours planning for the safe arrival and installation of some very important additions to the AB connector. 3 roof trusses, each nearly as large as a Q400 aircraft and weighing over 35,000 pounds. But these trusses were built miles away from the airport and are too wide to arrive by road or highway, so the only other option is water. A massive barge is positioned at the edge of the Fraser River, less than a kilometer away from YVR's airfield. The moving crew has a mere 8 hours of daylight to remove and secure all 3 trusses onto the awaiting trucks. Now fast forward several hours and the roads are quiet. It's now time for the trusses to make their way from the bank of the Fraser River to the AB connector site. Safety is paramount, so the crews watch closely for obstacles like road signs, telephone poles, and even parked cars. Now that the trucks have safely moved across YVR's busy airfield, it's a tight fit to maneuver the trusses into the AB connector construction site, as crews expertly reverse and maneuver between the security fence and crane lines. But despite the tight fit, the move's a success. After a well-deserved rest, the team's back on site the next morning to offload and lift the first truss into place. It's crucial that each of the 3 lifting chains is adjusted perfectly to duplicate the exact slope of the roof. After several checks, the crew completes its final measurements. The crane makes its lift, and the first truss is secured into place. Success! Stay tuned to the AB Connector Project video series, where we'll take you behind the scenes and show you one of YVR's most exciting projects.